I loved this bit of Big White, and it's like a nothing run. It's just like a flat cat track, but you just got beautiful trees. It's not too slow. Just like enjoying it, you know. Every part of me wants to jump off that, but I don't want to die. Jump off this instead. Woo! Next run on my list is called Snowy. Full face is shut, that's really annoying. Ooh, is that snowy? That's a good question. Motherfucker, what was I gonna do again? What a joke. It was a fucking good jump though. Bollocks. What a cunt. Do you think I could edit that out? This is all it is. She gives me a kiss, and so you don't want this heart, but it's already broken. Together and she knows how to flow. Said she's on the ground. I say, baby, you should know that's what I want. You don't want this heart, but it can be fixed. It can try on a night like this. You would stay. So baby, you should know that's what I want. I want